OpenAI just released Sora 2 and it's one of the best AI model out there for video generation that can generate videos with audio. But the problem is you cannot access it other than the mobile app. There are regional restrictions, waitlist, limited access, and most people cannot use it. There is a platform out there, it's called Higgsfield. So Higgsfield just launched Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and here's what changes everything. It allows you unlimited generations, no regional logs, no waitlist, fully accessible to everyone on the planet. So using Higgsfield, you can access this AI model for unlimited use. We are talking 1080p cinematic video generation, multi-scene storytelling, perfect audio sync, and full creative control, all running unlimited right now. So this new AI model Sora 2 gives you Hollywood level video generation. Sora 2 Pro comes with advanced motion reasoning, multi-scene continuity, and narrative coherence that keeps your story tight across every cut. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what Higgsfield Sora 2 can do and how to use it and why this is the biggest shift in AI video we have seen this year. Let's dive in. So before you start, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well, and also please hype this video. It will help us to reach more audience. So just go to higgsfield.ai or just click on the link in description, and then you can simply just sign up using your Google account. It will give you some free credits. You can use those credits to use Sora 2. Here you can see there are plenty of different AI models for video generation. You can find Sora 2 here. There is Kling 2.5 Turbo available as well. You can also find Google Veo 3. There is this model by Minimax. Then there is Cdance Pro, Kling Speak. So, but in our case, we are going to use Sora 2. So what I'll do, after you have signed up, simply just go to your video section, and now from here, simply just select Sora 2. In my case, I'll just choose that, and now this is how it works. You can simply just upload an image, or you can just like describe what you want to create in your own simple words. There is another really interesting feature. It's called Draw to Video. If I simply just click on that, and here you can find there is this Draw to Video feature. So you can just upload a picture, and then you can just like maybe draw, and then you can just ask it to make change in a certain area on your picture. There is no prompt required for this. You can simply just like upload your photo, and after that you can just like select a certain area. You can just like explain what you want to do, and then simply just click on generate, and then it will just generate your video based on that. Let me just start with a simple text prompt and then like generate a video based on a simple text prompt. Later what we'll do, we'll just upload an image as well, and then try to generate a video based on an image as well. But for now, what I'll do, I'll simply just like enter this text prompt, and then after that I'll simply just click on this generate button, and here you can see you can just like choose your model as well. You can simply just like maybe choose this Higgsfield Lite, Standard, Turbo. There is Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and you can see you can choose your duration as well. It can be a 4-second video or an 8-second video, or in fact a 12-second video as well. The Google Veo 3 model does not allow that, so I think Sora does allow you to create a 12-second video. So that's amazing. After that, you can just like of course choose an aspect ratio. You can either create your video in this mode or maybe in a portrait mode. Once you have selected what you want to create, after that simply just click on generate, and then it will generate your video. Okay, so in a couple of minutes, this is what it has created. If I just click on play, and you can see it has created this video with audio as well. So I'll just like shut up for a second, and then let me just play this video. Amazing. You can see the audio is synced like according to it, like it is generated according to the scene. So it looks like maybe like a Fortnite style of video, but you can see the footstep sound. There is a really unique footstep sound. So let me just play it again. Yeah, you can see it's very realistic footstep sound that you can find in any game. And in fact, when he jumped, you can see the footstep sound did not continue. I mean, it's very realistic, of course. But when he landed, so you can see the land sound effect as well was added. So yeah, I mean, this AI model is smart enough to understand the scene and then generate based on that scene. Now you can either download this video or maybe just click on share, and then you can just like share this video, or you can just like save it. But in my case, I'll simply just download this video. I'll simply press on download, and now it will just download this video. Okay, next I have got these few different prompts here that I created inside Claude. So I'll simply just like copy this one of these prompts. So this one is a fast cut meme video. So this is going to be a split screen. This is not going to be like a simple video. This is going to be like two videos in a split screen. So it will be expectations versus reality of working from home. So left side will be professional, pristine home office, person typing confidently. Right side will be person in pajamas, messy room, cat walking across the keyboard, and cereal bowl balanced on laptop. Fast cuts between scenes synced to upbeat electronic beats, and comedic timing, bright saturated colors. So I can just copy this prompt from here because this is going to be a bit tricky video. So what I'll do, I'll simply just like go back to my Higgsfield.ai. After that I can simply just like paste that prompt in here, and then I can just like choose my model. So my model is going to be Sora 2. Then I'm going to just choose this resolution, which is a aspect ratio 69, or duration should be 4 seconds, I think. Yeah, should be enough. And then I can simply just press enter. Now you can see it has started generating already. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so in just few seconds this is what it has created. Let me just play this video. You can see it is a split screen video. So let me just play that. Let me just, and it has some nice music as well. Let me just reduce its volume. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, perfect. As expected, I could now easily just use it in literally, I mean now just like use it in any video. Yeah, this looks just like mind-blowing. Nice. Yeah, I mean it did fantastic job. So I just go ahead and try Sora 2 on Higgsfield. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.